Hello guys, this is Clinton and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we introduced R and RStudio. So in this video I want us to set up an R environment whereby you're going to be able to code and write your code in R. So to set up the environment you're going to need two softwares, and the first one is the R programming language itself, which you can get from this link, and the second one is the RStudio, which is the graphical user interface that we're going to be using. So let's go and download those. So you have to be connected to the internet first, and when you go to your browser, just go and click download R, and once you click that, let's do it. Download R, download R. The first link that comes up, just click on it, and it's going to take you to this R page. And as for me, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this. Once you have downloaded that, I have already downloaded it, so you go and also download RStudio. So download RStudio, click the first link that comes up, and let's download it. You'll be taken to the RStudio website. So you scroll down and you just download. Once you click it, it will take you to this other page, and then you click that, it's going to download it. So since I have already downloaded that, you can just pause the video and download them. I'm just going to install them. So to access your downloaded files, you're going to go to the downloads, to your downloads, then I'm going to get your R and your RStudio. So you're going to start installing the R. So you double click on it. Once you double click on it, it's going to click on run. Yes. Okay. Next. So you're going to choose where you want R to be installed. So you can just browse. For me, I'm just going to choose that for I'm going to install it at F. You click next. I had already installed it, so since if it's your first time you're going to see something like this, already exists, too late to install the folder in here. No, I don't want to do that. So for those who have not yet installed, you have to proceed with the process. Same to the RStudio. Double click on it. I had already downloaded and installed them. You run. Okay. It installs. It's running because I had already installed it. So guys, once you have finished installing, I want you to go and click the Windows part, and then you should locate RStudio. Once you click on it, it's going to launch your program. It's going to launch your program now. This is our GUI. This is our GUI. I had some projects already running, so let's try this out to see if it has installed successfully. Let's try printing out something simple. Hello R and RStudio. So guys, if you see that, just know that you're up and running and your environment is successfully installed. So guys, thank you very much for sticking with me. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.